Arch Linux and CachyOS are both Linux distributions but serve different user needs. Arch Linux is a base for total customization, while CachyOS builds on Arch with optimizations and pre-configured settings focused on speed and usability. Arch Linux is a lightweight, rolling release Linux distribution designed for users who want full control over their system. It provides a minimal base installation with no pre-installed software, allowing users to build their environment from the ground up. Arch uses the man package manager and has a vast user repository, giving access to the latest software versions. Its strength lies in customization, transparency, and the strong community that maintains detailed documentation known as the Arch Wiki. However, Arch requires a deep understanding of Linux, as installation and maintenance are manual and command line driven. This can be challenging for beginners or those seeking a ready-to-use system. Ideal users are experienced Linux enthusiasts, developers, and those who want a personalized, lightweight system without unnecessary packages. CachyOS is an Arch-based Linux distribution optimized for performance and usability out of the box. It includes custom kernels tuned for responsiveness and gaming, along with pre-installed software and desktop environments configured to deliver a smooth experience. CachyOS leverages Arch's rolling release model, but adds enhancements like improved CPU schedule settings and reduced latency, making it ideal for users who want speed without extensive setup. While it retains Arch's flexibility, CachyOS simplifies installation and daily use with graphical tools and curated defaults. Its limitations include less community size compared to Arch and fewer custom packages. CachyOS suits users who appreciate Arch's power, but prefer a faster, ready-to-use system with performance tweaks, such as gamers, content creators, and productivity-focused users. Arch Linux and CachyOS share a foundation, but differ in approach. Arch offers unmatched customization and a pure Linux experience, perfect for users comfortable with manual setup and command line management. It excels in flexibility but demands time and Linux knowledge. CachyOS, on the other hand, targets users who want Arch's benefits combined with out-of-the-box performance enhancements and usability improvements. It's ready to use immediately, with optimized kernels and pre-configured settings that boost responsiveness, especially in gaming or multimedia tasks. The trade-off is less control over every detail and a smaller community. For those prioritizing ultimate customization and learning, Arch is the go-to. For users seeking speed and convenience with Arch's power, CachyOS offers a practical balance. Choose Arch Linux if you want full control, a minimalist setup, and are comfortable managing your system manually for a tailored Linux experience. Opt for CachyOS if you prefer an Arch-based distro with performance optimizations and a user-friendly setup that works well out of the box. It's ideal for those who want speed and convenience without sacrificing the power of Arch Linux.